Hello, my name is Ambundo. Kindly let me introduce myself and say a little bit about myself before I showcase my work. I am a graduate of Kenyatta University here in Kenya. I took electrical and electronics engineering. Once I finished, I joined a bootcamp by the name of Moringa School. From there, what I did was software engineering and decided to dive into web design. I've worked with WordPress. I've also worked with React on the front end and Ruby on the back end. But what got me was web scraping. So I do web scraping nowadays. This is just a sample of what I usually do. So I'm using a tool called Scrapy. As you can see from the terminal, there's a lot of data, but as you check, you can see that it's talking about a tool called Scrapy, as I've highlighted. So I won't take so much time. Scrapy is a framework that is used for web scraping. So as an example, I decided to scrape a website by the name of Mombasa Computers. This is the website itself. It had a total of 30 page this was 17 pages. So during the scraping process, I managed to get all the data under the link accessories. Let me just show you the data. I have formatted it in form of CSV, Excel. So here is the data. So I'm good at data entry. I'm also good at web scraping. So I can also convert this into a JSON and put it into a database. So anybody who's looking for this kind of help out there, I will be privileged to work with you. So thank you, and thanks for your time.